Next we put again one black piece in the last edge and then two normal black pieces like this, and we repeat on the other side, two normal black pieces and another one in the last edge like this, and the rest of the row we complete with white pieces. Next we put 5 white pieces here like this. Next we put three normal black pieces here, and we repeat on the other side. We let one edge free. Then one white normal here and another one on the other side. Next we put 3 edges, 1, 2, 3 in one piece, and we repeat on the other side these 3. And here we put one black piece like this. Next we put 3 black pieces here, then one white, 2 black, again one white, and 3 black pieces like this. And now here we put 4 white pieces. Next we put only black pieces. In total 9 black normal black pieces. Here we will put one piece like this. We will close the row, and again one on the other side, and 3 normal white pieces in the middle. Now we have 5 pieces here. Next we put 8 black pieces. And then here we put 4 white pieces. Next we put 3 black pieces, 2 and 3, then 1 white, and again 3 black pieces. Here we put 5 pieces. Again we close, we put these two last edges in one piece like this. We repeat on the other part, and in the middle 3 white normal pieces. Now we put 2 black pieces, then 2 white, and again 2 black. And here we put 4 normal pieces like this. Next we put 1 white here, then 2 black, and again 2 here. Then we put 4 black pieces, then 3, 2, and 1 black. Next we will finish here. We put 3 pieces, then 2, we close again here and on the other side, and 1 normal in the middle. And again 2 white pieces, and the last one like this. We will glue these together. And this is the body of the stork. Next, for the neck, we will connect pieces like this. One, two, three, 4 until we have 6. Like this. Now we glue 1 inverted piece here, and then we glue this part like this. And we give a very nice round shape. Next we take a large piece. This is size 1 to 32, and we connect here. We put all these 4 edges in these 2 pockets like this. Next we make the peak for our stork, and this is a rectangle of paper for large pieces. 5.2 by 3.6 centimeters. We will put some glue. We put some more glue here. Now, after we wait a little bit for the glue to dry, we will cut a portion. And now we will glue like this. Glue very well. We connect green pieces and we put 6 pieces in the first row and 5 pieces in the second. Like this. Now we close the circle and we put one piece here. And then we put another 6 green normal pieces in this way. Now we push a little bit like this, and then we increase the number of pieces. Now we have 6 and we double the number of pieces in a row to 12. I put one piece between these two pieces from the previous row, like this, and then 2 above. Increase again. And now we have 12 pieces in this last row. Now we put again 12 normal pieces. Now we push again like this and we increase, but this time we will increase from 12 pieces in a row, we increase to 18. We increase once like this and we put 2 pieces above, then we put one normal piece. I will repeat, normal piece, I mean that I put one piece in two edges, like this. Now we increase again, and one normal piece. Increase, and we repeat this until we complete the entire row. And the last normal piece here, and our small support for our stork is finished. You can use another colors if you want, brown, any color you want for this one. I glue all together. I make a little eye with a black pencil. Now we will make space for the legs, like this. Next we will make the legs. I cut a little stick in two, and this is a piece of orange paper. I will glue the paper on the little stick, put some glue, and roll. We put a little bit more glue here. Repeat for the other stick. Now we have all parts. We have the stork, the legs and the support, and first we put the legs here. You can glue them, and then I already make two holes, and now this is my stork finish. Of course we must glue here, here and the legs, but this is the model. This is the model finish after I glue all the parts together. It is a very nice model, and I hope you enjoy. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This is all for today. Have a nice day.